So hello guys, today I have an unboxing video for you. I bought a new HP mechanical gaming keyboard and gaming mouse and rather mouse pad. So I'm going to unbox this. First I'm going for that. First of all, I'm going to unbox this mouse pad. Here it is. From Razer. This is a big mouse pad, so you can see it's very big and nice for gaming. So next I will continue with mouse. Here it is, the HP gaming mouse M100S. So I'm going to cut this and open it. Here it is, the mouse itself, looking very nice. And here I have some paperwork from HP. Nothing else, just throw it away. And here now I'm going to unbox the HP gaming keyboard GK400F. Let's crack this open. Very good packaging. Oh, look at that mechanical keyboard. Just remove. I like that. There's this piece to remove the keys if you need to clean it. Here is some paperwork from HP, some protection foam, some 15 million key life, mechanical keyboard, height adjustment, mechanical switches, and something like that. I really like this keyboard. Very good keyboard. I like the sound. So I'll pause the video and install those in my computer and see how it works and RGB lights how it looks. So here I connected everything, and let's see, this adjustable angle, I like this way, more comfortable. Let's turn on the display and see how it looks. I need to make a bit dark to see the keyboard lighting better. Oh my gosh, I really like that. Look how it's changed. I really like this keyboard. It's so comfortable and so good mechanical switches. very good mouse and keyboard. I really like that. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for any suggestion for the new videos that are coming soon. Thanks for watching a lot and see you next time.